Hi everyone, and today we will talk about why this research is important. Sleep is crucial for teens' health, mood, and learning, but puberty, stress, and busy schedules often disrupt it. Most studies only track sleep for weeks, missing long-term patterns. Our project uses innovative radar technology to measure sleep over months or even years, without wearables or diaries. This contactless sensor is teen approved. No charging, no discomfort, just accurate data on sleep, timing, and routines. By understanding long-term trends, we can link sleep changes to mental health, exams, or puberty, and help teens thrive. I hope you liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!